Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing this Barbie. Whoa. Showing you the Barbie in the box. I think her outfit is amazing and she's really cute. I love the hair, I love the face, the makeup, the eyes, the eyebrows. I like everything about her. And I think this Barbie is inspired to another Barbie from the 80s. I don't know if you can see it. Barbie 1984 here. So the outfit is basically a new outfit, a modern one, which is inspired to this Barbie, and I love this re-elaboration. Let's open it. I think she looks really cute in the package, but I'm not the kind of collector who would keep it like this. I like to open the Barbies and I like to play with them sometimes. So I'm showing you the package, how it comes out of the plastic package. So the Barbie I was talking about before is this Barbie. This is the original Barbie from 1984, and this series of Barbie 65, I think it's a series inspired to old Barbies and re-elaborating these Barbies, I think. And it is called Barbie 65 Inspiring Stories Shaping the Future. So I don't know, this Barbie is from 2023. Anyway, I mean, this one I have unboxed. I am quite happy with the Barbie. I love her with 3L. I love her so much. So she's got a necklace with a clock. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it. I'm sorry, I'm quite random when I do videos. I think the outfit is amazing, colorful, playful. The necklace is cute. The hair is really soft and cute. Yes. She's got trainers. Yeah, I think so. Sneakers. Very cute Barbie. She's a curvy doll, and I am really pleased with her hair and with the doll in overall, so I would recommend it. I would give it a 10 out of 10, and I'm really happy about having this new doll. I will surely play with her. I will play with this doll and I will have so much fun. My new doll. So I hope you have liked this random unboxing, and I hope you will like, subscribe, share, and check out my music, my single Someone Else, my band's channel Rising Phoenixes, of which you can find the link on the channel, and stay updated. I am quite creative, So I always upload whatever makes me happy and creative.